Hi guys! Welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create Apple ID in iCloud. Let's start. So, for those who are recently or you just recently bought your iPhone, and to those who are new iPhone users, yes, there's actually a way for you to securely store your photos, your files, even notes and passwords, and pretty much everything that's on your phone. You can securely store that and have a backup through the use of iCloud. And it keeps up to date. So if you could see here in support.apple.com, so for those who are still new to iCloud, you'd see the information here that it keeps it up to date across all the devices automatically. So take note, guys, it's automatically. But there's another video tutorial that you could actually sync all your files to your from your iPhone to your iCloud. So you could always subscribe to our channel so you would be able to see other features that we do for iCloud. I mean, we show for iCloud as well as on your iPhone. Okay, so if you want to learn more, you could always go to this page or to this website because they give step by step and really good information for iPhone users. So now we're going to create your Apple ID in iCloud. First you need to go to iCloud.com. If you notice the interface, guys, or the page here, it automatically asks for your Apple ID, and you just need to log in using your password, and you just click on forgot Apple ID or password in case you've forgotten. But if, let's say, you're not keen enough or sharp enough, it would be difficult for some to locate where they would going to create Apple ID. So this actually located here, just this small fonts in gray color, just at the bottom of the page. Just click on create Apple ID. Okay, so from there, this is how it's done. Just need to fill in the information right here, and then just hit and continue, and then just follow the step by step that's going to show on screens. Take note, guys, that in case you want to change or create another Apple ID, if you have an existing one, yes, you can definitely do that, but you just need to make sure that you sync properly whatever Apple ID that's you're going to use. So there, I hope you learned something today. If you like this video, please hit it on like. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.